Mr. Mvula, ino ndemangane ndotani mambo mena alankhula Mr. Kasakula.
Ine ndemanganga mwina sindi kutana kwambiri ndakasakula. Ndizoona report imene apereka apake is an objective balanced report. Balanced in the sense that apake anapita kwakumana ndi mtsogoleri kukapanga point out red flags madera amene ofuna attention. Komanso anakhala pansi kufotokoza zabwino zimene a president mwene boma lawo akuchita. In the areas many anachula a president amene apake and my areas of need zikukuza naso mwena ndi rule of law nkhani ya corruption.
Yes.
For me, I think apake amalankhula nditu kwauza a president mchizungu chake mina kwapanga embodied kuti rule of law he crack the whip. Subono and when now a DPP in there now maweras my haters mina ugenza kuzamanera za president regime mwe. There are people amena kumangidwa pano. That is part of cracking the whip.
Yes, so that's asking the president to do.
This is asking the president to do.
Yes, it's cracking the whip.
Could be crack the whip.
Yes.
Crack whip is, I'm not saying crack the whip on just now bomber. Come crack the whip.
On those that have crimes.
Amene akuganizidwa kuti anaba wanaononga chuma cha boma. Historical or now. I want to repeat. Historical or current.
Yes.
Or now. Chukwa chimo silima
Ola.
Ugwino wache maramorato amanena. Civil case yema kiremu civil claims kama kandi kama ka time bad. Minaba kandi for 6 years kandi jani. Sungabi dilo kapanga parasu. Kama criminal sima ora. Kanuna ndawe ya DPP kandi DPP yanji kandi ndawe ya UDF kandi jani mando Sumawa. So akakubizinga pano ungo pembela kuti court likutani. So that part, what Park may have been saying or may be saying is to say crack the whip and show seriousness on corruption. This historical as well as current.
Yes.
For current, most of it are perceptions, managed. Now it is up to the president and his government to show good our there here we ask that ICB could azipanga extract maganizo perceptions the real. Real the many ina ya kuita magisa ndikupeza kuti awa kusali mashuga huko anyambitako tondambira awa anapanga fake certificate yobanga jan awa tabanga. That's part of the whole
cracking
the whip. So it is not cracking the whip kuti mina mufuna kuti mawa kamange muntu wena mboma amene kulibe umboni wachi. No, but then awanzatu amene amapanga zimene amapanga investigate ndibwino kuti atamange and help the president, because the president cannot be SCP, he cannot be DPP, he cannot be policeman, he cannot be anything else. So it should be known that the president can only give policy direction. If we start asking the president kumanga bantu zivuta choti aziva pali bose kwina apita kuchariji okutujana ndi ndokuba abaza ndimangena iyazikala koma it is the agencies that are supposed to. So cracking the whip, true, no Malawian wants corruption, because corruption denies zikuamana bantu chitukuko, zikuamana bantu zimene zikuwayeneleza. Kaya muntu yalipo pano akagwira ntchito chakwera amapanga katangale amange koti likama masule kuti ya iwe usana sana lakwela. So I think a point imeneyo ndiya bwino kwa ya apake anaipanga raise kuti crack the whip. So kusakare nkani onena kuti politically motivated arrests, because Malamuro ni Malamuro basi. Apake are saying crack the whip. RSA, I mean, it's Kunkuza, do some process. The good thing is Malaya has got a process. Emergency, Zamanga, Mabita of court, Umbonuma Benegedwa, and the court is Jemakaba and determined. So the Sakari who kukhala ngati kuthamanga zinthu zina zosayenera. Chachiwiri akunena za economic outlook, ndikukhulupirira izonso akunena zoona. Nobody is disputing the fact that boma la Malawi kuyambira 1994, even in the later part of MCP era, we've gone through serious economic difficulties.
That's right.
Serious economic difficulties. Yes, they have been accumulating, they have been cumulative. We also know that one regime has left behind baggage, poor performance. This has affected. So what we are facing today are not the makings of just this current regime.
No.
It is cumulative. We find that in other areas, Jaguera, our processor, the Jamadi broker system, which was not able to provide properly. So there are initiatives zina zimene panopo zikoza kutionesa zinthu zabwino kupita kusogolo. One, mega farms. Mega farms will produce more,
Yes.
will sell more.
Yes.
The efforts zofuna kuti mwina tizipanga agri-processing, mamo tizitumiza zinthu zileka munda kupita nazo ku South Africa kukagulitsa tizipanga process, meaning therefore we'll be able to generate more dollars and we'll also be able to create jobs. Then we are working on import substitution. We are working on irrigation farming. We are working on mining. We are working on tourism. We are working on kupanga improve.
Mining Kasia is a game changer. It's a game changer.
It's a game changer.
Yeah.
Even my mining ambiriwa and my game changer
Yes.
because we have got our own lab. What is into izi zido konkulu. Zijakare and Ramatina Misa kuti katundu wakupita ka UK kandi ku USA ukayezesa masambo azikuzalewa zatu apanga lab kuti aziyeza zinthu, meaning we just have got to be vigilant there. Apaki nausa kunena zona kuti our president akhale vigilant and the whole nation must be vigilant. Or obviously there will be saboteurs because voter electoral system the system of Makarabe and Vena who are still wanting to prevent progress. Zoyarusa Boma, because Boma now is going to Masambo, so they want to be sabotaged. So obviously that may be controlled. Kanya physical discipline. That is a very difficult issue in Menalabanga Park. Chifukwa, this country, the past 4 years, has been divided. Yakanima Vuto, Pangisa Guti, the normal budget is a carry forward. Kunabwera, Corona, Kunabwera, Masai Kunabwera, Cholera, Kunabwera, Cyclone Freddy, meaning Guti, these were not budgeted for. Munaribem budget. These are things, the emergencies that have impacted on what? On the budget, meaning that you have had to spend unbudgeted funds into areas which are humanitarian. No, look, these are challenges. I wish Park was going to be more objective on this one, because this country is buying maize and distributing free maize. At the same time, it is also distributing fertilizer already in some cases. Meaning, therefore, they're going to come in allowance, they're going to double dipping. You pay therefore, fertilizer is still capital. Then you go to empower them. So, those challenges should not be ignored. Anybody who is trying to critique this government now should take a view of our own equity. We have challenges. We have got a budget, but this budget is never a straightforward budget. But come to look at my emergency ambili, who have also been as much as the requirement of a budget on my challenges. So they should have been. I think it's and then on the positive side, true, my positive side, in basically all corners. Mukabila kulilonge pano numuona ngati mwene mwapita ku Johannesburg kujioni chikuwa kuli misewu kuli kumagesi china chili chonse chimaoneka ngati chabwino. Even manyumba amene anayosooneka bwino because of the environment is good, amaoneka kutali bwino. And the other positive, other chura, rule of law is important kuti we need to sustain it. True, ndigwizana ndakasakura kuti mwina awa apaki akhala bwino ndi boma iliri, because if you look at the number of meetings, positive meetings, kale mumaita kuona kuti apaki kakumana ndi msogoleli kuli nkhondo. This is heralded by media paka chekucha kulemba lero tukakumana tufati kumane naye munthu mano timamva kuti anakumana, meaning kuti you don't have that spirit yoti wakayambana ni nkhondo iyi. Kale timapita nditu all inclusive tosewe timapita kupita kumene koko nkhondo paka kuona paka manja kuti funa kuti kwizinga ndi maunyolo yazikuweza magazi
mafuna regime change
akuti kwa siti panene mafuna kuti kala nkole tikapange criminalize the system zivangovuta kuti anthu andale timaiwana nsanga. We forget what happened during DPPA under the same Peter Mutalis, under the same individuals when a Secretary General ari Inspector General timaiwala kuti zinachitika tijani, timaiwala pamene anachisale anali chief bodyguard kuti zimene amatuma anthu kuti akachaye anthu ena kapanga nawo zachipongo timaiwala nsanga. So I think we should not forget.
Chaba tathokoza kwambiri Mr. Mvula.
Sorry ndalankhula motalikira.
Mafansi nati mwalankhula motalikirako koma mwalankhula mfundo zabwino ndifesi nakuduleni. Ndathokoza.